Channa. Let's move towards top 20 news.
Modi shares selfie on Twitter.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi was on Kashmir tour. While sharing a selfie on social media, PM Modi wrote, "Friend Nazim, now this picture has become a topic of discussion." PM Modi wrote this on Twitter. "A memorable selfie of mine with my friend Nazim. I was impressed by his good works. Pleased to meet him." Nazim, seen in the selfie with PM Modi, is none other than a beneficiary of the Vikas Bharat program, and he interacted with PM Modi during the Vikas Bharat Jammu and Kashmir program.
Two terrorists of Babbar Khalsa International arrested in Amritsar.
Punjab police has arrested two members of Babbar Khalsa International Bag Terror Module during an operation. Director General of Police Gaurav Yadav said that the module is being operated by USA-based Harpreet Singh Happy, who was a close associate of Pakistan-based terrorist Harvinder Singh. His associate Shamsher Singh Sera is currently in Armenia. 2 pistols, 4 magazines and 30 live cartridges were recovered from them.
Kejriwal ordered to appear in court on March 16.
Delhi Chief Minister and Aam Aadmi Party Chief Arvind Kejriwal has faced a new problem. He has been ordered to appear in the court on March 16. Rouse Avenue Court has ordered Kejriwal to appear on the second complaint filed by the ED against Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in the Delhi liquor scam case.
Opposition misled country on Article 370, says Modi.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi was on Jammu and Kashmir tour. He launched projects worth more than 6,400 crores under Develop India, Develop Jammu and Kashmir program at Baxi Stadium in Srinagar. Job letters were also given to 1,000 youths. He said, "Jammu and Kashmir is breathing freely today." The opposition misled people regarding Article 370.
Amit Shah will release National Cooperative Database tomorrow.
Cooperative Minister Amit Shah will release the National Cooperative Database on Friday for the development of cooperative-centric economic models. According to a statement issued today, Shah will also release a report on National Cooperative Database 2023.
Modi guarantees for women's safety and empowerment.
PM Modi spoke directly to the women of self-help groups. He also addressed the women of the country in the Nari Shakti Vandan program to tell them about the government schemes. He said that safety, convenience and empowerment of women is Modi's guarantee. Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Vishnudev Sai also participated in the event at Durga Maidan in Shankarnagar, Raipur. He honored the women beneficiaries of Pradhan Mantri Swanidhi Yojana by distributing checks and mementos to the Swachhata Didis.
After inspecting the health center, Food Minister gives instructions for better treatment.
Food Minister Dayaldas Baghel conducted a surprise inspection of Community Health Center Navagarh in Bemetra district. He inquired about the health system and instructed the doctors to provide better treatment to the patients. Food Minister also interacted with the patients.
Chitrakoot Development Authority will be formed, says CM Yadav.
Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav reached Chitrakoot and announced there that Chitrakoot Development Authority will be formed and SDM will also be appointed there. For the development of the area, 4-lane roads will be built till MP-UP border. Also, wherever there is encroachment in the Parikrama Path, Godavari, Sati Anusuya, Hanuman Dhara, Bharat Ghat, they will be removed.
CM Yadav inaugurates works worth Rs 253 crore on single click in Singrauli.
Chief Minister Mohan Yadav participated in a program in Singrauli and inaugurated 73 development works worth 253 crores through a single click.
Training given under National Education Policy at Sukma.
under instructions of State Project Office Samagra Shiksha Raipur and Collector Harris S. Training was given under the National Education Policy 2020 under Nipun Bharat Yojana. Training was given as per the target given by the state by dividing it into 4 zones, namely Sukma, Konta, Chindgarh and Dornapal.
In Manrega, give work to people as per their capacity, says Bijapur CEO.
A review meeting was held in the District Panchayat Auditorium under the guidance of Collector Anurag Pandey. While reviewing the rural development schemes, District Panchayat CEO Hemant Ramesh Nandanwar said that people should be allotted work as per their capacity and convenience.
Medical College Executive Committee meeting held.
A meeting of the Executive Committee of Atal Bihari Vajpayee Government Medical College was held under the chairmanship of Divisional Commissioner Dr. Pawan Kumar Sharma. Sharma conducted the review through video conferencing. Proposals for estimated income of 15 crore 13 lakhs and estimated expenditure of 12 crore 15 lakhs for the financial year 2024-25 were approved.
Team of 50 farmers from Sihor will travel outside the state to see harvest of horticulture crops.
Under the Integrated Horticulture Mission Scheme, a group of 50 farmers from the district was sent out of the state by Collector Praveen Singh for a 5-day program under the aegis of District Horticulture and Food Administration Department. It was aimed at understanding the production of agriculture crops and other states and the methods of improved farming for getting higher yield. A team of 50 farmers of the district was sent on the tour.
PM Modi will inaugurate Gwalior Terminal on 10th March.
PM Narendra Modi will inaugurate Gwalior's Rajmata Vijay Raje Scindia Air Terminal, built in the shortest time in the country on March 10. Apart from this, Modi will also inaugurate and perform Bhumi Pujan of 16 airports across the country, including world's second largest airport being constructed in the country's capital on the same day. The information was given by Union Civil Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia.
PM Modi performs Bhumi Pujan of development at Ma Pitambara Shakti Peeth.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi today performed Bhumi Pujan of the development and construction works worth 25 crore 28 lakhs in the premises of Ma Pitambara Mata Temple under the Prasad scheme of the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India, virtually. Former State Home Minister Dr. Narottam Mishra, Sevda MLA Pradeep Agarwal and Kerala MLA Ramesh Khatik were also present in the program.
Lok Adalat will be held in Jhabua on 9th March.
National Lok Adalat will be held on March 9 under the aegis of District Legal Services Authority Jhabua. For the first National Lok Adalat of the year, the publicity vehicle was flagged off from the court premises by District Judge and President Vidhi Saxena.
Committee meeting held under Amrit 2.0 scheme held at Dhar.
A meeting was held in the Dhar Collectorate under chairmanship of Collector Priyank Mishra of the District Level Review and Monitoring Committee constituted as per the guidelines issued by the Government of India for Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation Scheme. Badnawar MLA Bhavar Singh Shekhawat and Chief Municipal Officer of the concerned urban bodies were also present.
Absorb the things told in the training, says Badwani Collector.
Just as in school, we learn and work hard by keeping in mind everything taught by the teacher. Similarly, absorb the training being given and work with hard work and dedication. Collector Dr. Rahul Fatting said this on the occasion of inauguration of the training of newly appointed Patwaris in the District Education and Training Institute, Badwani.
Katni Collector took DLCC meeting. Instructions given.
Meeting of DLCC was held in the Collectorate Hall under the chairmanship of Collector Avi Prasad. In the meeting, department heads, related to department schemes and lead bank managers as well as the branch managers of all banks were present. Collector Avi Prasad praised representatives of Bank of Baroda, Indian Bank and Punjab National Bank for their commendable work in implementation of departmental schemes.
MLA performed Bhumi Pujan for girls' hostel at Kondagaon.
Kondagaon MLA Neelkant Tekam performed Bhumi Pujan for construction of a new hostel for the tribal children living in post-matric tribal girls hostel operated in Farasgaon. This will cost 191 lakhs.
If you like our news, then please like and subscribe Aaj Tak 24 News and press the bell icon to get the latest update.